Are you caught up in grand visions and dreams of success, the corner offers, the accolades, the fame, etc.? And yet you aren't sure if those visions and dreams hold any ground emotionally for your emotional and spiritual satisfaction. As the wise saying goes, it's not the destination but the journey that matters. And at the heart of the journey of life lies one crucial element: consistent action. Hello, friends. This is Vivek from 5am Club, and today I'm going to talk about clarity and consistent action. Taking consistent action towards your goals is crucial for you to measure your degree of growth and returns on your efforts. When reassessing and discovering the value of your actions, choices, and decisions to ascertain that you are on the right path of your life. Tony Robbins famously said the path to success is to take massive determined actions. In other words, it's not just about taking action occasionally, it's about making a committed effort to move forward every single day. Consistent action plays a crucial role in finding clarity and purpose. As you take small, determined actions towards your goals, you will encounter new experiences, challenges, and opportunities that will help you refine your vision and clarify your purpose. Michael Jordan once said, you can't put a limit on anything. The more you dream, the farther you get. By taking consistent action, you are opening yourself up to new possibilities, expanding your horizons, and ultimately realizing your true potential. True growth and transformation occurs when you push yourself beyond your comfort zones and embrace the discomfort of consistent effort and stop making excuses. Stop being a victim. Take personal responsibility of your life by holding yourself accountable to a higher standard with respect to your morals, values, and principles of your life. Gaining clarity toward your goals, deeper understanding of what you truly want in life, and what it takes to get there. Robin Sharma says clarity in driving success, while emphasizing the need to focus on the process rather than the outcome, states clarity precedes mastery. Clarity is the compass that guides you on your journey towards greatness without losing your way in the sea of life full of uncertainty and chaos. Jim Rohn famously said, success is nothing only more than a few simple disciplines practiced every single day. By committing to small, consistent actions each day, you lay the foundation for the long-term success, fulfillment, impact, and influence. Relentless work ethic, even after failing and failing again and again with countless hours of practice and unwavering dedication, will pave your journey to greatness. Taking consistent action isn't just about achieving external success, it's about your personal growth and mastery. Striving towards your goals, you inevitably encounter obstacles and setbacks, and during these moments of adversity, you will truly discover what you are made of. It's your choice either to shrink back in fear or rise to the challenge with courage and resilience. It's with consistent effort and action, even adverse circumstances, you will evolve into your higher version. Essentially, your choices and decisions about your mental, physical, and spiritual health, your finances, the people you surround yourself with, the tasks and activities you complete, finally, the number of wins you take home every single day, that makes the difference. Robert Kiyosaki said this, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. So think, plan, and take your first step today. And remember, greatness isn't achieved overnight. It's the result of consistent action day in and day out. Focus on making just 1% improvement every single day, and watch as you slowly but surely transform your life and realize your true potential. As Tony Robbins wisely said, it's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives, but what we do consistently. So keep moving forward, keep taking action, and watch as clarity, purpose, and greatness unfold before your eyes. Own your morning, elevate your life.